Everyone knows Andy Warhol as the artist who transformed pop culture into fine art. But few know that his life ended after what was supposed to be a routine operation. In February 1987, Warhol finally checked into New York Hospital for gallbladder surgery. He had delayed the procedure for years, partly because of the lasting impact of the assassination attempt that nearly killed him in 1968. But eventually, the pain became impossible to ignore. The operation appeared successful. Doctors expected the 58-year-old artist to recover and return home within days. But in the early hours of February 22nd, everything changed. Warhol suffered serious cardiac complications while recovering in the hospital. Despite attempts to save him, Andy Warhol died that morning. He was only 58 years old. The news shocked the art world. How could one of the most famous artists of the 20th century die after a routine procedure? Questions were later raised about his post-operative care, and his family eventually reached a legal settlement with the hospital. But the controversy could never change the fact that one of modern art's most influential figures was gone. Andy Warhol transformed ordinary objects into cultural icons. He changed the way the world saw fame, advertising, and celebrity. Yet after surviving a gunshot that nearly ended his life decades earlier, it was a hospital bed, not a bullet, that closed the story of Andy Warhol. Nearly 40 years later, his images of Marilyn Monroe, Campbell's soup cans, and countless other icons remain instantly recognizable. The artist who explored fame, repetition, and immortality became a reminder that even legends cannot escape time. That's it. Now it's your turn. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and see you in the next video. Bye!